Hello everybody, this is a trade that was taken live yesterday and everything will be shown from the beginning to the close, and this is a $500 account, just over a little over 500, about 506 I believe. I will be showing you, and this is just to show that you can grow the small accounts, even $100-$200 account, and just taking you through some steps of what was happening. So here the trade was taken, the channels were drawn, and all the knowledge that will be given to you guys was here implemented. So the stop loss was put and the take profit. Now this is more than you should do risk management. I mean, once you're a professional and you know what you're doing, you can risk a bit more, but it's suggested not to risk more than 2% of your account. So here now you see from the channel is bouncing back and is coming to go down, following the downtrend, and this is a 15-minute candles. You see now the candle has bounced back, so here you should control your emotions and don't think that it's gonna go against you. Even if it does, you have your stop loss. Control your emotions. One of the main things in trading, they're all very important. Trading is based on knowledge, emotions, psychology, risk management, and everything you learn you should implement correctly. And this is another trade that was happening also at the same time with the US CAD. And there you go, showing the account. It's just over $500 and we're growing it. Now you see the candle has bounced back down in the gold, so we're still aiming at shorting it, following the downtrend. We are in profit, and you can eventually trail stop it to make sure to secure your money, and here has come down more. So you could be trail stopping right here in the mid of the candle or right before. And all the stuff that you'll be learning is all to make you successful, not to be like the most people that lose. And here you can see the lower lows, lower highs, and continuing. Follow the trend, guys. Always observe charts, guys, as much as you can, and start by paper trading, demo trading. Eventually you want to use real money so you can feel the emotions and control it, but don't risk too much. Risk rarely though. If you do risk management, even if you suck and you're not so good, it will be hard to margin call your account. Everything I teach you guys and I tell you, try to keep it in mind. Keep watching the videos over and over again, and you have to implant it in you so it becomes like second nature. See this area right here? We can even move the take profit down. Right here you see this area is forming another lower low, trying to reach this bottom channel like a magnet. It tries to absorb it. The market moves beautifully, guys. Once you see the patterns and you learn the knowledge, you will see the market moves beautifully. It's never going to be perfect straight up and down. Obviously there's going to be between it little shakes, but after looking at the chart so much and learning it, you will see it will follow your way. You see here we're on a lower time frame. Now we moved the candle to 5 minutes. You have to be able to play with the different candles to see the time and to see how they move, and it looks like it wants to hit the stop loss, and we're going to see what happens to it. It's testing back and forth. The market's still on the way down. Be patient, guys, and don't be scared. Watch a lot of charts. Choose different pairs. Choose the things that you like to trade. And you will see technicals play the most part. Fundamentals are in general to tell you which way the market might go. But once you learn the tools, even just avoiding the fundamental times, the news times to trade, you can come in and make money. You see here now it's turning around. 5-minute candle is making a nice low. Now we're going to come back again right before the last candle and trail stop it. So like this, we're always safe. Even if it hits our stop loss, we're getting out with wins. On a $500 account, it's almost over 15% wins, guys, if it hits our stop loss in one trade. Don't forget, this is still big risk management, so I expect you guys not to trade more than 2%, not to risk more than 2% of your account. And when you have bigger money, you can risk even less. When you have hundreds of $1,000 accounts, $1 million, $2 million, millions of dollars accounts, you can risk less because you will be making more. And you see the other trade is still going on, and then that's the account. You can see the account balance and the equity and how much we're up in the profits on the two trades. Just making a beautiful trading on its way down. You see how we move the trail stop right before the candle, and you see it moving fast, so you can adjust it. With time and experience, you will see how the market is moving. You see we keep trailing it. Now we're about 20% of our accounting profit in one trade. That's amazing. Just imagine if you have a $100,000 account, that's $20,000. And if you have more, then it's more. But of course, you're not going to risk this much. This is to show you that it is possible to make money, and it's not like the majority, 90 to 95% of people that lose. Most of the people try to read some books and follow the books, or follow some people that don't really have knowledge of it themselves. The banks, the institutions know that most people will follow the books, and this is one reason they lose. Of course, you have to learn the basics, learn the things in the book, master them until you get to the advanced things. There we go, we hit the stop loss with profit, and you can see that the account, what it's at. Remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for educational purposes, and if you follow all the education that I will be teaching you and implement it and work hard, you will master and you will make money consistently. Subscribe, like, and follow.